In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to restore archived lists on Trello quickly and easily. If you've ever archived a list by accident or cleaned up your board and later realized you still need that list, don't worry, Trello keeps it stored safely, and you can bring it back in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can restore your archived lists without losing any cards or information. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Trello and navigate to the board where your list was originally archived. This is important because archived lists are stored within the specific board they were created in. Once you're inside the correct board, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a 3 dots menu. This is sometimes called the Show menu option. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots to open the board menu panel. When the board menu opens on the right-hand side, you'll see several options related to your board settings and activity. Scroll through these options until you find the one labeled Archived Items. This is where Trello stores both archived cards and archived lists. Click on Archived Items to continue. Now you'll be taken to a new view that displays everything that has been archived on this board. At the top, you may see tabs allowing you to switch between archived cards and archived lists. Since we're restoring a list, make sure you're viewing the Archived Lists section. Here you'll see a full list of any lists that were previously archived, along with the option to either restore them or permanently delete them. Find the list you want to bring back. Once you've located it, look for the Restore button next to the list name. Click on Restore, and immediately Trello will return that list to your board. It will reappear in its original position with all of its cards, attachments, due dates, labels, and comments exactly as they were before being archived. Nothing is lost during the archive process. It's simply hidden from view until you decide to restore it. If you no longer need an archived list, you'll also notice there is an option to permanently delete it instead of restoring it. Just be careful with this option, because deleting is permanent and cannot be undone. If you think you might need the list later, it's always safer to keep it archived rather than deleting it completely. Once you've restored your list, you can close the Archived Items panel and continue working on your board as usual. Your list will function just like any other list. You can move it, rename it, add new cards, or reorganize it however you like. As a quick recap, restoring archived lists on Trello only takes 3 simple steps. First, go to your board and click the 3 dots menu. Second, open Archived Items. And third, click Restore next to the list you want to bring back. That's it. Simple, fast, and no technical skills required. Archiving lists is a great way to keep your board clean without permanently deleting important information. It's especially useful for completed projects, old task groups, or seasonal workflows that you might need again in the future. Knowing how to restore them gives you full control over your board organization. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips, productivity tutorials, and step-by-step software guides. I post easy-to-follow content designed to save you time and make your workflow smoother. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.